right, so we're here this morning in Klamath, California, and we're getting ready to take a canoe ride. Where are we going, Julian?
So this is a Othway yacht right here, boat of the people. And right now we're at the original town site of Klamath. It got washed out in the 1964 flood. But we're gonna end up over at Redwood, kind of over by the mouth of the Klamath River.
And that water is moving fast. So like, is it gonna be like a 6-minute ride?
Hopefully not. Hopefully we can make it last a little bit longer, but it might be a quick ride.
All right, here we go.
Hop didn't look like he wanted to do it, and so I asked the other person who we were taking the tour on, and for some reason he said he didn't want to get in the water. Pretty rude of him.
Yeah, back.
I was like, I guess I have to do it.
Well, you can expect me to be rude too.